Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Try to cut me off. That ain't gonna work. Fuck out of here. So, got my tires. Not brand new, obviously, but got them for a really good deal. Really good deal. These is 235, 5517s, Generals. They way better than what I got on here right now. So, about to put them in the car and go get them installed. What I'm thinking about doing is, honestly, I'm thinking about taking off these, keeping them, putting them on the rear, and then do a video for y'all. I'm probably gonna do a slide in every turn, or just drift, do a whole bunch of donuts and just burn them motherfuckers up for real. Y'all, they look good as shit sitting back there. Look like I'm a fiend or something. Look like I'm ready to go do something for real. Yes, sir. So we get, huh? He don't know how to drive. Getting, I told him I did YouTube, but they had got excited for real.
How we looking?
Yeah, so we getting in the stall right now. Y'all see, I need me a bit though. That's looking too rough. Gotta cut my hair, y'all. Got 235, 5517, as I told y'all. I hope it look good. Hope it look good. As I said, they come with 225, 5517. So I wanted to up it. I don't know, because in my rears, I already got 235s. So y'all see my old ones. God got me right, putting it back on right now. That's, you know, I'm in Westminster, Maryland, at I think it's called Fisher Tires in Westminster, Maryland. Fisher Tires got me right. I think I like how I sit. That front look, the front look real beefy. So I like that. She said real flush now, real thick. Rear end sitting low, that front end sitting pretty low. Yeah, that's so nice. Yeah, that she sitting way better. I don't know what we on tonight. It's a race night tonight.
It's at night for something new.
Popping that 93 as always.
The tender, crispy chicken
Making sure she get the best
loaded
gas.
fries piled high with
Making sure I push up that 93 tonight, you know what I mean? What's good, YouTube? I don't know if y'all can see me. I'm pretty black for real, but what's good? We on the way to damn, can't even talk. We on the way to a chill meet. Well, I'm on the way to a chill meet. About to go link up with some of the guys for real. Couple scatties, K51, of course.
But that shit'll get critical. I be the one that be keeping the peace. Hold up, bro, chill out, don't shoot him. He ain't a threat, he just dapping me up. They just be happy to catch him a body, but I ain't on that. I'm just glad that we like.
This is cruise. I'm trying to save my motherfucking 93 octane. Just cruising. I ain't doing too much at all. Go ahead and let my shit chill, you know what I mean? Before I start having this motherfucker running.
Cat, when you rap in the streets, you get that, no cap, it be killing my sanity.
Let's go, YouTube. We at the little chill spot right now. Big scatty boys. Got the scat, got the wide body scat. You know, it got Q51 right there. Q51, you see that motherfucking G-ski.
Let me test it out.
Oh, good God.
You're gonna break traction, I promise you.
Shit about to get real. About to get real. we out. Oh, tonight gonna be a good night, y'all. My bitch over here get to slipping that shit. Yeah, that motherfucker scat up there sound crazy. Hey Jordy, this shit stupid, dummy. Oh God. It's about to be a good night, y'all. Got the wide body. I ain't even gonna tell y'all what he got. That's his business. You know what I mean? That's I don't know who did these brakes, but they look good. I think his name's STINO Rear Wheel Drive. Dang, y'all. I'm gonna keep up with the Scat Boys. Best believe we gonna keep up. Is he cam? Cause I don't race him. Yeah, he can. He sound cam like a bitch. Sheesh. Fuck a super thing. Oh shit. I like to see. That's what I like to see right there. That's what I like to see.
You know he got helicopters.
I think it's a 4 series. 4 something. Yeah, it's a big ZR1. He just got, dang y'all, they still coming in. Oh, this about to get lit. That's about to get lit. Get lit, y'all. 435 versus M340. Gotta get up out of there real quick. Oh yeah. Gotta get up out of here. S4 versus 340i. S4 versus Q50. Things up, man. Keep them things up. S4 versus Kia Stinker. again. Once again. He try to cut me off. That ain't gonna work. Fuck out of here. He try to cut me off. Fuck out of here. I'm happy I got you on the fucking GoPro. Try to drag. Hell nah. Fuck out of here. Try to cut me off. You not gonna get me, baby boy. Hell nah. That shit dead. Let me call my man's one. You good, dummy? Yo.
That nigga pulled right next to me.
He tried to cut me off. I got up out of there, dummy. I got up out of there. Meet me somewhere. Meet me somewhere. Check my load.
I went straight down the road.
All right, bet. He tried to cut me off, y'all. Y'all seen me. I got out of there, hit the corner, drifted and all. I got out of there.